Hey guys, Adam here from High Point University Longboard Club, and today I'm going to be showing you how to mount some trucks on your longboard. Kind of a basic thing that every longboarder or skateboarder needs to know, and I'm going to show you how to do it today. Today we're going to be mounting our Bear 852 trucks on our Bustin' Robot with ABEC 9 bearings and Bustin' Swift wheels. So let's get to it. The first thing you want is your base plate. The base plate's going to be your main kind of staple part of your truck, and most longboard trucks are a reverse kingpin, which simply means that this part, which is the kingpin here, is reverse from the actual normal skateboard truck that you'd see on most street decks. So first thing you want to do, take your board and mount this where if there's two holes on your trucks like this one is, you want to mount that side forward. So basically when you put it through your drop through board, you want the kingpin to be pointing away from your board like that. Next step you want to do, you want to throw the screws in. Line it up with your thing here, and here we have just the basic set of hardware with washers to protect the actual wood and keep it nice. Your nuts and screws. That's about it. And you're also going to need for this your basic skate tool with the screwdriver tool. So yeah, open this up, take out the hardware. Okay, again, putting this in like that, lining up the holes correctly, and then we take our first screw and there you go, you put it through and it should come out the other end like that. And you want enough room on this side. You don't want to buy screws that are too small. If you buy a complete longboard, it'll come with trucks, wheels, bearings, hardware, should come assembled. Most sites will assemble it for you. And then from here you basically just want to do that step over and over again. Put the screw in. Like that. Now that you have all your screws in, like that, now you're going to want to put the washers on. Washers are these little kind of circle-shaped pieces of metal that go on mostly drop-through boards. They go on right in between the wood and the nut, basically just to keep the wood from being worn down by the nut. Then you just twist the nut on, and I just do it just enough so it keeps it on, and then I'll tighten it later. And just repeat that step 3 times. Okay, you want to tighten them up. So for this part, you need the screwdriver tool. On these screws, you need this end, the little Phillips head. You just put it right there, lock right into place, and you take this part of the tool. If you have a T-tool like this or a unit tool, you use the small end, which is the bottom end here, hold it like that, and just screw everything into place. And then you repeat that step several times. Get it all tightened up. If you get it too tight, you want to tighten up, it's not going to come down right away. And the last one. And there you go. Now that your base plate's mounted, you're going to want to put the hanger on. Now the hanger is this part right here. The wheels shouldn't come attached, So you have basically this part of the hanger with the bushing seat like this, and it's going to look different on this side. The cool thing about the bear trucks, is that all their trucks and hangers, you can flip the hanger and change the degree of the truck, whether it be 42, 40, or 50. In this case 52, because it's a bear. To put the truck back together, you take your bottom bushing, which in this case is a barrel, slip it on there, and there's no washer cup for the bottom, so you just slip it on, put your truck back on, like that, and then take your top bushing, which in this case is also a barrel, put it on like that, take your cup washer, cup it around the bushing like that, take your kingpin nut and screw it back on, tighten it to your desired tightness, and there you go. You put your truck on. And then you do the same thing all over again for the second truck. So yeah guys, that's how you put a truck together. And now I'm going to put this one on, and I'll show it to you all sped up so you don't got to wait and watch me do it for the whole time.